You will never sleep like an ancient human. Never. The sun goes down. He looks at the sky. Guess we're done. Lies on an animal skin. Closes his eyes. Gone. No negotiation. No, just 5 more minutes. No sleep podcast whispering in his ear. No $300 ring judging his performance in the morning. Meanwhile, modern man climbs into a $2,400 bed and announces with complete confidence, "I'm going to bed early tonight." That sentence has ruined more lives than most wars. 11:07 p.m. Phone on the nightstand. Good night. 30 seconds later, your ass itches. For no reason. Zero medical explanation. You scratch it, and somehow your hand is already holding the phone. I'll just check one thing. One thing. 12 minutes later, you're watching Top 7 Shipwrecks Found Where Ships Should Not Be. You don't like ships. You've never liked ships. But now you are emotionally invested in a 17th century Dutch boat sitting in a Nebraska cornfield. Phone down. Okay, now I'm sleeping. 4 minutes later, your brain goes, "Hey, remember Jessica?" Oh no. Remember that thing you said in 2014? The thing you thought was funny, and then the entire conversation just died. Like someone unplugged the room. Your body is in bed. Your brain is doing a full forensic investigation on a joke from 12 years ago. Phone comes back out. 12:19 a.m. Instagram. Just 1 second. Now a man in Ohio is restoring a pressure washer from 1987. He hasn't spoken in 4 minutes. He's spraying it with something that looks illegal. You don't own a pressure washer. You've never wanted a pressure washer. But now you need to know if that thing starts. More than you needed your last 3 relationships. 1:34 a.m. An ancient human walks into your room. Animal skins, dirt under the nails. Eyes that have seen real predators. He looks at you, face lit by a glowing rectangle. Watching a grown man pressure wash a rug. He stares at the screen. Is he dying? You throw the phone. I'm done. Lights off, eyes closed. Buzz. Ignore it. Buzz. Stay strong. Buzz. Your entire nervous system reacts like someone just hit the village war drum. You grab the phone. It's Domino's. We miss you. Brother, Domino's does not miss you. Domino's misses the last 4 digits of your credit card. Go to sleep. But modern man decides the problem isn't the phone. No, the problem is the sleep setup. So now you need blackout curtains, cooling pillows, magnesium, melatonin gummies, white noise, brown noise, pink noise. At this point, we're inventing colors instead of going to sleep. Then a weighted blanket that makes you feel like a hostage, and a $300 ring that watches you sleep. Ancient human picks up the ring. So you were asleep? Yes. And this watched you? Yes. And when you wake up, it tells you if you slept? Exactly. Were you not there? Morning. Ancient human wakes up because the sun exists. Modern man sets 5 alarms. 6 a.m., 6:05, 6:10, 6:15, 6:30. The phone starts screaming. screams again. Again. The ancient human watches this like he's witnessing a religious ritual gone wrong. Why do you keep summoning the demon if you refuse to answer it? You finally crawl out of bed, eyes burning, soul missing. Walk into the kitchen and announce with full confidence, I literally can't function without coffee. Ancient human looks at you. Why are you tired? I didn't sleep. Why? I was on my phone. Doing what? Watching a raccoon steal cat food. He looks at you, looks at the phone, looks back at you, then turns around and leaves civilization. Because ancient humans had predators. Cold, darkness, no mattress, no melatonin, no sleep tracker. And somehow, we're the ones lying in a $2,000 bed at 2:47 in the morning whispering, "One more video." Then you look outside. The sun is already coming up. Bro, you didn't stay up late. You accidentally started tomorrow. Subscribe and put the phone down. No, seriously. I can still see you.